the rules of what's happening.
Yeah, just you can say like what your name is, and then after that you can just say like why you're here today for the most part,
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Where you want me to start right now?
Yeah, y'all can stay kind of right there. I'm gonna keep y'all framed up, just because I don't have a tripod. Perfect. Good.
Okay. So my name is Corey Wafer. I'm here with my wife, Mattie Weston Wafer, and this movement is something special. We decided to come out here because we wanted to give testimony to the reasons why we're here and the reason how we got to this point, the Multifamily Movement.
How has the Multifamily Movement kind of affected y'all's life? Or what are y'all learning from it? And
Yeah. Go ahead.
I know one of the things, like with me and my wife, we have property, and we're partnering with them on some of the buildings that you guys saw earlier. And what it's done is not necessarily drawn us together like in a spiritual, emotional way, but just from a standpoint of like we're on the same trajectory, and that's one of the core strengths of relationship, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter, friendship, business, anything like that.
Yeah.
So just knowing that you guys are on the same page because of a movement, because of some things like that, how has that been helping you guys like that?
Yeah, I would have to say that this program, this movement has changed my everything, my whole life, just from mindset, being in alignment, focusing, prioritizing, and just becoming a part of a wonderful family that's so, helpful and just supportive. It's just been great. Meeting Jullien for the first time has just been amazing. I just love to see what's going on here. It's just phenomenal just to see how when we come together, we're so much better, we're greater, we're stronger. And, we have been able to acquire multiple properties through this movement. Our first property we were able to get through the movement was a triplex. And since then, we've gotten duplex, and now we're pending another property. So the program definitely works. It's just been everything. It has been life-changing for us, for my family.
I love it.